Question 1. When tap X was turned on, it took 12 minutes to fill up the tank with water, but it only took 8 minutes to fill up the same tank with water when tap X and tap Y were turned on at the same time. What was the rate per minute of the water which flowed out from tap Y? So let's write out all of this information. We know that for tap X, the rate is 1 out of 12 tank per minute because it took 12 minutes to fill up the tank, which means every minute, 1 out of 12 of the tank would have been filled up. And we know that when tap X and tap Y are turned on at the same time, they will fill 1 out of 8 of the tank per minute, as stated over here. So now we want to find the rate of tap Y. So in order to find tap Y, we will need to take the rate of tap X plus tap Y minus the rate of tap X. So we have 1 out of 8 tank per minute minus 1 out of 12 tank per minute. And this gives us 1 out of 24 tank per minute. So this is the rate per minute of the water which flowed out from tap Y.